Alright, Tuffnerdz squad, we back at it again. And today we're going to continue with some more Bone. But I think this is something more recent because this was actually requested by one of my subs, Bizzy Bone cover Monoxide, and it says Migos this. I honestly haven't really heard this song. Like I think I've seen the title. I think it's actually the title of an album too. I'm not even sure, but it's got to be something more recent. It was uploaded. This one was uploaded in 2019. But let's get into this shit. You know what I'm saying? Bizzy Bone, Migos. This I've heard of Migos. I haven't really heard their music, but I heard like they try to be like Bone. They're similar to Bone or some shit like that. Let's get into it. All right, let's get into this. 3, 2, 1. Alright, start with Migos. I hit you with one of these combinations. I keep going through complications, and then I do my Takashi dance. Oh, then I do my Takashi dance. What shit? He's flowing it, and he's flowing slow. Like he's taking his time. I guess he wants them to understand. Like I've noticed that about Bone. When they're dissing people, they flow slow. Man. They want to hear. When they flow slow. They flow slow when they want to diss people. Alright, let's get into it. I'm a Nike fan. I hit you with one of these combinations. I keep going through complications, and then I do my Takashi. Schmurder was a case that they gave me. Deep God, it's me a little lazy. We was robbing niggas without no father figures, and that's the way that Wish got shot by crazy. It's calm. We was robbing niggas with no father figures, and that's the way Wish got shot by. Yo, Wish was part of like their group 2 back in the days. Still probably is, you know. But, you know, I've said this before, Bone, they're OGs for real. Was robbing niggas without no father figures, and that's the way that Wish got shot by crazy. It's common, niggas. I put you in garage mode. Mine to the shots fly. Each nigga don't want no smoke. I give carbon monoxide. I hit you with this lock slide, pop side. No one can do it better. That's a doc rhyme. Crush your windpipe, slice you in Doc's prime. That's over your head. Act your wife, this precious metal. Hit her with this lead pipe. Smile, bitch. You living your best life. I hear that background. That's like their famous background, like sound. It's like somebody screaming in the background, but they use the same one over and over, like in different songs. It's like they're like a brand, like a sound, you know, like a brand sound. I don't know what the fuck the color is. Like their typical sound. But yeah, that shit sounds bad. That background noise, bro. That background sounds bad. Like the typical one they put in most of their songs, like that scream. Let me be brief before my dick sweet. Socks on, break your iPhone so I can. Let me be brief before my dick. Come on, man. That was a nice little word right there. Let me be brief before my dick sweet. Socks on, break your iPhone so I can go to sleep. Load the clip, hop it in, knock it back, ride around the block. These niggas call me OG. Bitch, you as old as me. These niggas call me OG. Bitch, you as old as me. Niggas call me OG. Bitch, you as old as me. Not old. Trolls, they don't like me. So I scroll through the page, take cliff notes, and give them that Chris light. I mean, we know how hard Bizzy can go, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? And like, he's slowing it down. I mean, hard in the sense of fast. He's going hard right here. I'm saying as far as how fast he can rhyme. It's insane how he can rhyme fast. But even rhyming at a slower pace, he sounds tight, you know. And it's easy to understand. So I appreciate that too. Like, I understood everything he said, most everything. It's pretty good. So I like that. I like that. You little niggas don't know y'all fucking. Oh, it's on. It says Bizzy Bone cover Monoxide Schmurder. Schmurder was the case that they gave me. I'm an answer. I'm blacker than Jack Panda. It's magic cause I'm a savage. That's 21. Goddamn, I'm a fucking gun. Public enemy #1. I'm a savage. That's 21. 21. Come on, man. Come on, man. Catching that shit. Catching that one. I'm an answer. I'm blacker than Jack Panda. It's magic cause I'm a savage, that's 21. Goddamn, I'm a fucking gun. Public enemy number one on the law list. Word of flesh and bone, let's get carnivorous. The AK.
Word of flesh and bone, let's get carnivorous. What?
Cause I'm a savage,
Bizzy Bone is a savage. What?
Fucking gun. Public enemy number one on the law list. Word of flesh and bone, let's get carnivorous. The AK-47 with the cartridges. Banana split personalities, both reflections.
Banana split personality. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. That shit was fucking. I was a haymaker right there. She was beast mode. But these motherfuckers are beast mode right here. This motherfucker is beast mode for real. Yeah, shit again.
A savage, that's 21. Goddamn, I'm a fucking gun. Public enemy number one on the law list. Word of flesh and bone, let's get carnivorous. The AK-47 with the cartridges. Banana split personalities, both reflections. My third eye is a narcissist. The pen didn't black with y'all, bitch. I'm rapping with my eyes closed, cause I don't need my consciousness. For meanings, I crafted it, mastered it. After this, plastered this, all over the visual adages. Imagine it, the grand was only a portion of the passages. And then if you look at the tube, see the move, infinite math, bitch. Ooh, stop the track. Let me talk to these niggas. Cars dash, ion to smash this. This before the pit, I speak to Kim as a mastiff. Right before the movie, make me classless to the masses. I gotta tell my daughters that your ass ain't your access. My people seem the lowest of the evil. I got a secret, every dog scared of mama, who mama, a dealer. Cop, every dog.
He's fucking around right there.
People seem the lowest of the evil. I got a secret, every dog scared of mama, who mama, a dealer. Cop, and sharp smell it, birds, the science, embody it, make it either. Time come, deja vu, I'm in effect. Just a fixation, call me J New, all of a black.
Okay. I like it. It's a slower version of this style, but you know.
Smarter was the case that they shake.
Smarter
was the case that they gave me. Smarter was the case that they gave me. Smarter was the case that they gave me.
I can dig that. I can flow with this song, man. This is tight work right here.
Smarter was the case that they gave me.
Take it back to the 90s, you know. Alright, man, continue with this journey with me. Continue on this journey with me. We're gonna keep on doing some more Bone music, some 90s music. You know, that's what we do around here, man. So hit that notification button, subscribe. Peace. Join the society.